Mr. Cool owns the patent on the pre-charge line sets, but if you ask any HVAC technician or contractor about the downside of a pre-charged line set, it's that you can't shorten the line set when it's pre-charged. And the reason that this is annoying is because you can't shorten the line set to the exact length you need. So ACiq product will involve a traditional flaring method in order to install the system. That is much better than doing a Mr. Cool unit in my opinion, because you can make the lines at the exact length you want, which will make for a nice, clean, professional looking installation.